Hey, I believe that Helium 10 can save your Q4 and Christmas, as well as it can save my Q4 and Christmas and all of our Q4s and Christmases of all of us. In this video, I'm going to explain you how and what's going on, and I would like to invite you to a pretty cool event that's taking place on September the 10th. So my name is Vov, I'm an active seller on Amazon. On this channel, I share Amazon FBA videos, over 150 videos. So they're all connected to Amazon FBA. Please click subscribe and hit the bell. And let's start the video. If you're coming back, by the way, thank you a lot for watching my videos. I appreciate that. Hopefully you're growing with me. So there's an event that can really help you with your Q4 and Christmas, and how and what's going on. So simplify your Amazon inventory once and for all. Learn about Helium 10's powerful new tool to protect you from stockouts and prevent excess inventory and keep your inventory in balance. Now, if you're not still pumped for what's going on, I'm going to explain you. For me, at least, my biggest problem and mistake on Amazon while selling there has been inventory management. That means I've gotten a lot of out of stocks. Also, I've gotten to places where I have excess inventory that I had to pay for. I had to find creative ways to get rid of it. And this is something that is generally a hard thing for sellers to understand, how to manage their inventory, how to be constantly selling products and constantly creating products, constantly shipping, in order to have like a harmonic way of doing this. And for this, you need some stuff that's connected to inventory management. Now, look, if you want to reach and get to this event, there's going to be a link down in the description of this video to get you that landing page and simply register. It's a free event. And hopeful to see you there. Now that's an affiliate link, means that if you ever join Helium 10 after clicking on my link, then I might get a little commission from them. This way you can support my free content here, but you don't really need to do that. You can get to this webinar in other ways. Although I'm not sure if there are any other ways to get there aside from this link that I have for you. Anyway, it's there. So finally, a simple way to manage your inventory without any guesswork, spreadsheets, or tricky formulas. Here's what's waiting for you inside the webinar. I'm not sure if it's the biggest problem on Amazon or not, but definitely one of the hardest things to manage is inventory, because it's an inventory-based business. And yes, there are tools that can help you, but there are spreadsheets that you can use, or you can simply do it in your own brain, which is very hard, I gotta say. But here's something that's new and might really help. So look, here's what's waiting for you inside the webinar. Full demo of our new solution, inventory management. There's gonna be probably something revealed to you and to me as well. I still haven't watched it. I'm really excited to watch this as well, because I wanna see how I can improve my inventory management too, specifically in this Q4 that hopefully is gonna be crazy. Common inventory management headaches on Amazon and how to solve them. If you're an Amazon seller, you know what I'm talking about. There are headaches connected to inventory that kind of went through them beforehand, but we're gonna go through them again. And how to simplify your inventory, even if you have dozens or hundreds of SKUs. For those of you that are sharks, the bigger sellers, it does cause headache as well, having many ASINs, SKUs, and there are better ways to simplify the inventory management, and it's going to be shared as well. Also, how to properly forecast your inventory so you don't order too little or too much. I've mentioned before, I've got stuck with stocks of products previously that I had to sell and find creative ways of selling because, you know, long-term storage fees, or little too much when you need more products and you've ordered 500 units, but actually you should have ordered 2,000. You didn't know that because you didn't calculate it right. Well, this might really help you. So purchase, next thing, purchase orders and transfer shipments. How to easily move your inventory from suppliers to warehouse to Amazon. So not exactly sure what's going to be here. Maybe there's going to be a tool that will allow you inside Helium 10 to take kind of the hold of your transfer shipments, of your shipments through Helium 10 itself without going to Alibaba and other places. Again, I'm just speculating, not sure if that's exactly what's going to be there. Again, join us for a live demo. Again, there's the link in the description. Click on the link, register, and I'm going to show you how to register in a bit as well. But who's going to be with us there on the webinar? So first is going to be Bradley Sutton, and Bradley is Helium 10 Director of Training and Chief Evangelist. Now, Bradley was a guest on my channel like 2 months ago, month and a half ago. I'm going to have a video with him down in the description for you. It's an overview of Helium 10 in case you still haven't tried this tool. It's free to use, by the way. I'm going to link some other links to Helium 10 itself with discounts down in the description. But Bradley was a guest and it was a really nice interview. He has great energies and he's very knowledgeable. Why? Because Bradley has deep background in entrepreneurship that spans 20 plus years. Started with $1 million aftermarket car parts business. He started at the age of 19. At the age of 19, I was just finishing school. I was far from entrepreneurship, so yeah. Today he's an all-around expert on Amazon who really enjoys helping sellers optimize their listings and launch their products. And many other things that Bradley does. He previously consulted small e-commerce companies to Fortune 500 companies or corporations actually, to optimize and launch over 400 products in the last 2 years alone. So that's a lot of experience, right? His training videos and live workshops are viewed monthly by over 100,000 Amazon sellers, from complete beginners to 9-figure hard hitters. If you still haven't registered for the webinar, the link is in the description, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna have also John Gjeldum. So John, I saw his first video about the market tracker tool that I also created a tutorial for, that you can also find in the description of this video. I'll show also up here in the card, I'm gonna link it for you. But I did a tutorial for market tracker of Helium 10, which is a tool that allows you to kind of get the bird's eye view on a market. Very nice tool. It's free to use, by the way. You can track one market without paying, so it's really nice. In other companies that I know have this tool, it's paid, so you can track one product and one market for free. So let's talk about John. So John is Vice President of Product. John is focused on enabling Helium 10 customers to build more successful business through improving our existing products and developing new ones. Since joining the company, he has developed and launched Market Tracker that I've just talked about, the Helium 10 mobile app, and Alta, our new financial service for Amazon sellers. So John is going to be with us on the webinar, and John is happy to introduce our latest tool, Inventory Management, a complete inventory solution. And John will show you the ins and outs of inventory management, how to use it for your inventory issues, and how to use it to grow and scale your business on Amazon. So that's John, who's going to be with us with Bradley and John, and I'm going to be just a spectator. I'm going to be just like you, watching and enjoying. Simplify your Amazon inventory once and for all. Thursday, September 10th, 2020, 11 a.m. PT. Register through link down in the description. I'm going to show you how to do that. Simply click on join us for a live demo. Leave your name and email and family name as well. Click on register my seat now. And of course, Helium 10 is not going to spam you, rent you, or sell you your information. So we're kind of secure here. You click on register my seat now. It's gonna kind of work on this. And congratulations, you are booked for the webinar, introducing Interventions once and for all. So here are your next steps. Just remind you, because really don't miss this. Sometimes people register for webinars, including myself. I did this as well, and we don't come. So come, it's gonna be good. Helium 10 webinars are great, and I've shared a bunch of them down in the description, down in this channel, I wanted to say. But if you want to see previous webinars, by the way, of Helium 10, just to see if it's worth coming or not, I'm gonna link them down in the description for you as well. I have a few webinars that there's replays for them. I would recommend you checking them out for product research and other stuff. So mark the date on your calendar, add it there, 30 September 10th, 2020. Block out 90 minutes of your time. Just come prepared, something good to drink, whatever to eat, just to consume information in a comfortable and cozy way for you. Show up early, because you want to come before it all starts to kind of see if it's working, what's going on, if you need like additional things you need to know, and you have your seat locked, all right, to have it for you. And use a desktop or laptop. Really recommend you. It's not that good on mobile. Check your email for a join link. It's gonna come once it's gonna start. And enjoy. Of course, that's what we are here to enjoy life. So enjoy. Again, the link is down in the description for this webinar. And as I mentioned before, I talked about webinars. So up here, I'm gonna have the other webinars that Helium 10 can provide you with. These are replays of the webinars. These videos that you're gonna see here have the information about different webinars. So I do recommend you checking them out, because they're pretty good, and they're both up here. And may you have a great day today. And I'm gonna see you with more videos soon. Bye.